What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this 2023 Mazda MX-30 remote key fob. This Mazda MX-30 key is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob, and we're going to remove the cover on the side that has the Mazda logo. You can see this side does not have the logo. So on the side with the logo, I'm going to come up here to the top and use my screwdriver to carefully get behind it right here like this, and then pry that off. And once it's started, you can just pull it the rest of the way off with your hands like that. Then once we get that off, we need to remove this cover right here. And for this one, you can get your screwdriver on the side of it, pry that up. Once we get that cover off, we can see our battery right here. And there's a cutout in this battery holder right here that will allow you to get your screwdriver in and get under the edge of it and get it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And then we'll put this cover back on, and you can see there's this tab that sticks out of this side of the cover. That tab just slides into that notch like that, and snap that cover down. Then we'll snap this back cover on, and you can see on the one corner there's this tab that sticks out right here. That's going to line up with that slot right there. So that'll sit in there like that, and then that cover snaps back down into place. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.